Take a break and close your eyes. Listen to these videos for 15 minutes, 2 or 3 times every day. Don't try to remember or translate anything. Trust me, if you keep practicing like this for 2 to 3 months, you'll start using these words and phrases without even thinking about it. Now, let's start. The project was entirely his idea. He deserves all the credit. The trip was entirely funded by my parents. I couldn't have gone without their help. The decision was entirely up to him. I didn't want to influence him. The house was entirely paid off. They were finally free of debt. The mistake was entirely my fault. I should have double-checked before submitting it. The responsibility was entirely hers. She was the one in charge. The idea was entirely new and innovative. It had never been done before. The success was entirely due to their hard work and dedication. The failure was entirely my own. I should have tried harder. The project was entirely funded by a grant. We couldn't have done it without the funding. The success of the event was entirely due to the team's hard work and organization. The idea was entirely his. He deserves all the credit for it. The project was entirely self-funded. We didn't need any outside help. The success of the company was entirely due to the CEO's vision and leadership. The mistake was entirely avoidable. I should have been more careful. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.